If you're over 65, this small daily food choice may matter more than you think, but there's a catch. Olive oil isn't a magic medicine, but replacing some less healthy fats with unsaturated fats can support a healthier eating pattern. After 65, your heart deserves special attention. So let's look beyond the kitchen and inside your blood vessels. Here's what makes olive oil interesting. Its main fat is monounsaturated fat, a type of unsaturated fat. But how much should you actually use after 65? And can something healthy become too much? That's where it gets interesting. So how much is too much? First, remember this. Olive oil is still a concentrated source of energy. More isn't automatically better. But there's another reason researchers pay attention to olive oil. It can be useful when it replaces less healthy fats in an overall heart-friendly diet. Inside your body, fats are processed and transported through the bloodstream. Your overall diet influences this system. One food never tells the whole story, and this is where many people make a mistake. They hear healthy fat and assume they can use unlimited amounts. Olive oil is healthy fat, but it is still calorie dense, so portion size matters. You don't need to avoid olive oil. The smarter approach is moderation within your overall diet. One common mistake is pouring straight from the bottle. A spoon makes the amount easier to see and easier to control. But there's one more question. Does the way you use olive oil matter? That's what we'll uncover next. So, does how you use olive oil matter? Yes, especially when it helps build a balanced meal. Think food, not medicine. Use it with vegetables, beans, whole grains, fish, or salads. That gives you more than one food working alone. It becomes part of the bigger picture. And remember, healthy doesn't mean unlimited. Your needs depend on your overall diet, health, and goals. Your doctor can personalize that advice. So, if you're over 65, remember 3 things. Choose quality, watch the portion, and use it as part of a balanced diet. If this helped you, follow AnatoVision 3D and comment 65+ if you want more health videos made for your age. Next, 3 breakfast foods worth knowing.